For anyone to progress in his life, he should do away with the two things: tribe factor and religious sentiment. I therefore a call for us to have one unit, that's unity of humanity.
Agao was not only a player, he was a person that who knows the humanity. And the respect for every individual, whether you are a small person, you are an old person, you are a woman, you are disabled, whatever the case, Agao will accord you all the respect that you deserve from him.
We are right here at the late home, that is Agao Rashid, and the players just came here basically to pay their last respect, you know.
Me as the family member, I have much respect to be accorded to you people for having to honor our invitation through Westnile Football Association.
اللهم اغفر له وارحمه وعافيه واعف عنه واكرم نزله ووسع مدخله اللهم جاوز عن سيئاته زيد احسانه اللهم انصر هذا الامه برحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين وصلى اللهم على سيدنا محمد وعلى اله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.
When I look at this population, it tells me how good my brother has been relating to the entire society. Amidst us, we have our father, who is the father to late Mr. Agao Rashid, Mr. Ayub. Unfortunately, we lost our mother a long time. Let Agao grew as an orphan under a company of a mother, which is the stepmother, seated right away there. This is the mother who grew us up here. Amidst them, we have Majidi, we have Sabiri, who happens to be the last born in the family. We have Bako, who is the first born of the family. Happens to see the face again, we still have the memory. Madam of late Agao is still with us and is yet to stay with us. We do not have any mindset to say that let Agao was gone and she has to go. None other than Madam Hanifa with us here. This happens to be the firstborn. Is called Hashim. Is a child of is now going to P2, P3. Then the other one is joining P1.
I'm very happy to be here today. My name is Charles Ochan Ivan, actually province team manager. Our visit here is short. It's for us to be able to come here and have a feel and see where our brother, our son, our colleague has been living when he was alive. It is the time for us to remember and also support the family of our brother who passed on. Of course, you know, there are things that we cannot avoid in this world, but we cannot avoid to celebrate our brother's life. For some of you who have been playing with him, you know how much he has contributed to your development as a player, how much he has contributed to Westnile as a province, how much he has contributed to Nduparaka as a football club. So for all these, I think we should all be proud that we had the opportunity to interact with him when he was still alive.
We are humbled by your gesture for being here and responding towards this cause. We are looking forward to reciprocate back when you need us.
Yesterday I was telling people why we want to still involve Acholi in memorial matches, that Agao was the one person that who went to Acholi land in Gulu, who turned the result of Acholi against Westnile.
He left a memory behind, he left a lesson behind. I hope we will all pick up from the things he has done well and we also do better, so that a day like this, when it comes, we also live to be remembered.
On behalf of the Westnile team, we would want to welcome Acholi province to this important day for us, because we take it important, because we also lost an important person. We also want to thank every important person here, because according to our capacities, we also want to welcome you on behalf of Westnile players.
We had to sit together, eat together in the same table as a sign of unity and love for humanity. and we did that with our brothers from West Nile. So what is happening from here, we shall be going for the march. This is, to me, is not just about the friendly march and the fundraising for the family, for the late, but this is a bigger unity between Acholi and West Nile. And this is something we really need to take it seriously, and we should really look at it, and we take it as something that we should really capitalize in, and we make sure that we put in more of this unity. Because to me, it looks like Acholi and West Nile are one now.
Thank you.